Hey guys, in this video, I'll be answering the question, can you add a collaborator after posting on Instagram? And the answer is no, you cannot add a collaborator after posting on Instagram. You have to add a collaborator before you post on Instagram. So let me show you what I mean. If I go into this post right here, there's no way to edit it and add a collaborator after it's posted. So as you can see, even though I'm looking around, none of it gives me the option to add a collaborator. There's no way to add any collaborator, and it's just useless to try to find it. You can tag somebody after you post a story or post, but if that's not what you're looking for and you're trying to collaborate with somebody, then you cannot collaborate with anybody. You'll just have to make a new post, so you can just repost this post and make a new post with that collaborator, but you cannot add somebody after you have already posted it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.